Okay, so today we don't have really much on watch. I think we were watching this one last week. I do like B. I don't think I'm able to trade it though. It's already past 17. I think I can trade 16 and below right now, but I can't trade in the 17 area. So I really like this one, but I can't trade it. CNR is another one that hit the scan, but I don't know. This one's not. It's just pulling back here. Triple top basically. BDSI, for some reason, this is our leading gapper, gapping 50%. But I mean, it's not doing anything. DRCT, TCBP. So this one was looking good, coming to open, but I didn't trade it. I wasn't even here. So now that I am here, it's obviously below VWAP and it's just fading out. It's a recent IPO because this is the second day it's open. So I don't know. We could potentially watch this one back above VWAP, see if it can actually make it curl above VWAP. But right now, this is not looking so hot on any time frame. ASAX. No volume in it. This one's pretty much dead. There's just nothing moving today. DRCT, this one's halted. Was halted. Hmm. Oh, okay. I like this one. KSCP. See, the daily's not so bad on this one. Spreads aren't too bad. 5 and 10 minute both look strong. Let's see if I can get it on a 1 minute pullback here. Next 10 minutes gonna open. Well, I could have taken my entry right there, but I decided I want to see a pullback on it. I don't like that rejection there. If it could have held, that would have looked nice, but right now it's not holding. So both the 5 and 10 minute highs broke, and now the 1 minute's pulled back too much on this 1 minute candle here. I don't want to see this 1 minute candle break actually. I just want to see it. I mean, since it did break, I would have liked to have seen it hold this level up here at 50. If it held 50, I would have definitely taken another trade here or waited for the next 1 minute to sideways consolidate before we actually see some more movement to the upside. But so far, it's still kind of holding. I kind of like it in this area. We have room up to 775. 750's resistance. 730 is somewhat of a support. 7. So VWAP here is basically support. I do like this 1 minute setup here though. $7.24 is a low. Let's see if it breaks the low here. I would like to get in on VWAP, but I just want to make sure that this is actually going to hold its level. Right now it's kind of flagging here. I want to make sure that this is going to go to the high side. I don't want to see it just randomly have a massive drop. It's basically a triple bottom at this point. So I'm going to take an entry here at 36, and I'm going to look for the next, I guess, 1 minute or 5 minute candle to make a high. So I'm in at 36, see if we get the break of 750. And a low resumption there, broke its low. $20, I'm out. It's holding 30, but it's not moving yet. I want to see 31, then go back to 37, 40. It's 29. I'm going to sell here for a loss. Well, I can't even get filled. So this is going to be a tough one to sell on as well. 6 more shares, trying to get filled at 14 here. See if I can sell the rest of my 6 shares. There we go. So I'm completely out now. So I wish I would have sold here at 44, but I don't know. I thought I had more potential, at least in the 1 minute. Once I'd seen it, have a triple bottom here, it broke its high, but then it just didn't rip to 750 or anything. It just kind of just held 744, and it was just there. I was like, I should probably sell. So that's why I tried to sell at 27 here. But, I'm on NSDQ, and there's no NSDQ here on the ask, and at least more I wanted it to be. So even on my bailing key, I couldn't get filled there. Kind of sucks. It's whatever. So I'm gonna take a $76 loss there. Kind of unfortunate. I actually thought this one had more potential. I don't know. Again, I was kind of not feeling it just because these 2 minute or 1 minute candles here, it's a double bottom, and then they were both pretty red, so I wasn't sure about it. But high green volume on this candle here gave me a little confidence. It's just the next one had a low red volume, and when this one turned green and actually broke its 1 minute high, I figured the next 1 minute candle can actually rip through, and we could see it past 750 all the way to 760, 770, and then I could sell for some profit here. But got faked out, false break, and now it pulled back on the 1 minute. Now it's curling back here, touch VWAP, broke through VWAP, now it's popping back above. So I could have bought that dip here on my support line, but I don't know. I don't want to trade it below VWAP. I don't think I'll trade KSCP anymore today, actually. I think I'm just going to walk away with this loss because nothing else is in the scans. We got COLL. I can't even trade this one, and especially not anymore. It counts down $76, $77 now. So BDSI, it's another one we had on watch. Oh my god. So no, I'm not feeling this one. TWOU, we traded this one last week, or we tried to trade it last week, I believe. VIVK. Is this halted? So yeah, VIVK is halted here. ASAX. Not feeling that. TCBP. This one doesn't look too bad. I'd like to see the 5 minute above VWAP though. Next 5 minutes here in 3 minutes. I guess I'll wait and see what this next 5 minute candle is going to do on TCBP. Potential entry for a breakthrough VWAP. I'd have to take bigger. So I don't even know if I could trade if I'm being honest, because my broker, you know, stops me out, or it doesn't stop me out. What am I talking about? My broker just doesn't let me trade anything below 4 or 5, it seems, with margin at least. Okay, so this last 1 minute's finishing kind of low here. That's fine if it breaks its low, which it just did. If it breaks its low and then pops back up to 260, like 5 or 267 or something, if it can pop to view up here, then for sure it would look strong on the next 5 minute candle or even 10 minutes to break through VWAP all the way to about 270. From 270, I'd probably want to sell 280 area. If we can get that 270 break after VWAP, that's where I'd actually want to sell. Okay, so this 1 minute also finished pretty low. Let's see if we get a break of this last low as well. 260 is a low on this one. It's a double bottom so far. 258 now. So there's the break. Let's see if this can pop back up. If it breaks the 5 minute low, it's gonna be another thing. So it just broke the 5 minute low. If it breaks the 10 minute low, it's gonna be even worse. 252 is the 10 minute low. We're at 55 right now. Yeah, I'm not feeling this one either. KSCP. So KSCP, same situation. Got above VWAP actually, and now it's breaking back below again. I guess another false break. I mean, it didn't break, so I can't say false break, but just rejection. So that kind of sucks to see. It's right at our resistance line as well, so 732, which is where I bought initially. I was hoping for a break to 750 up here. If we broke through 750, I would have liked to have seen it to 760 or so. Again, I was hoping for this next 1 minute to actually make the move, but it just rejected here, so there's nothing I could do. I couldn't sell properly either, so really had to take a loss on this one, which kind of sucks. I don't know. Took a bigger loss than necessary, I guess, but overall still not down too much. I thought I was gonna be down at least over 100 today, but nice to see that we're still down 76, 77. It's not so bad, I guess. Huge hit on the account still, like regardless. And if I can't make it up by the end of the month, well, obviously I'm gonna get that 125 commission, and the account is done. Practically blown up at this point. And that's because we had a massive, not a massive run, but we had a pretty good run. We went. I don't want to give up yet, but we, lost money, and then we gained money, and then we lost more, and then we made it all back. We lost it all again, and then we made it all back. And now this time around, January, just completely destroyed the account. End of December and January were just. I don't think I had one green day in January. I was just not taking opportunities, or I was taking the wrong opportunities. Back into the moves that are here, and getting a little cocky on my trades because we had you know, we made it back to 2,400 or whatever in the account, and now we're sitting at 818 or even less now because of these trades. Just the market's so slow. There's nothing I can really do. I'm trying different moves, but I'm holding longer than I should, it seems, because here I could have definitely sold for profit, but I just decided to hold a little longer, just because I thought the next 1 minute had potential. But when it came down that low, I was like, I'm not really feeling it. And then it broke its low, and I was just, not really sure. And so I tried to sell, but obviously I couldn't get filled properly. So anyway, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and see you guys tomorrow. We'll see what happens, see if the market brings us anything new. And yeah, let's see if I don't blow up the account before the monthly commission. So I'll see you guys then.